IT giant TCS has decided to lay off over 12,000 job roles altogether.
Generative AI technology across the company, he expects it will reduce the total corporate workforce.
5%. That's around 3,600 employees.
Buyouts is that it's reaching into its search and ad teams. That is still its core profit.
That Intel is poised to cut more than 20% of its workforce.
From Microsoft that basically they're going to cut 9,000 workers.
Why large companies like TCS, Microsoft, Google, Meta are laying off the huge number of their employees? Is it the economy uncertainty or the AI ripple effect? Large companies are gradually replacing their entire workforce with the AI system and the AI agent. You might be wondering, is your job safe or not? Recently, Microsoft has published the report very specifically having the analysis on job being affected by the generative AI. In this video, we'll try to understand that report. We'll see which job are affected the most and they are at the high risk tech, which are the least affected job, the key insight of that report, and what it really means to us. Before we deep dive into this Microsoft report, let me tell you one thing. This report is quite different than the other prediction which you might have heard that AI will replace your job. This is majority of the prediction which you have heard that AI will replace your job. They are based on the educated guess. They are not actually being done based on any analysis. While Microsoft report is being conducted based on the 2 lakh plus record and the conversation which were being done by the user and the Microsoft AI assistant. Report try to understand couple of things. The first thing that they try to understand for which task people are using AI. The second thing, how accurate the AI was to perform that task, and which are the job area where the majority of tasks can be handled by the AI. They also created the AI applicability score to calculate how accurate the AI to perform that task. The higher the accuracy, the higher chances that AI can take on to that task. In that report, they also published the least affected job with the AI. Let's see which are the highly affected job by the AI. Now you can see that majority job seems the white collar job. Even you can see the data scientists who created the AI, they are also being highly affected. There are other jobs like the customer service representative, writer, author, journalist. These are like knowledge-based jobs which are highly being affected. Even before you get the panic on that, let me tell you one thing. AI will not be able to replace the job overnight. But this is the gradual moment where AI will start taking care of the core functionality. So the actual person might not be needed to perform all the activity. They might be doing the supervision and the AI will perform the basic mandate task. Now let's see least job affected by the AI. Do you see the pattern? These are the main jobs which require the physical presence of the human skill, the emotion intelligence. You can see the nursing assistant, painters and the construction worker, the personal care aides, food service worker, agriculture worker. These are the skill where like the human presence is very much needed, which AI cannot currently replace that. Here are the biggest 3 takeaways from the report. The jobs which require the knowledge and the information skill set, and those are like white collar jobs where you need to heavily process on the information. Those jobs are being successfully performed by the AI. While the jobs which require the physical presence of the human, the intelligence and the face-to-face interaction, such kind of job are least being affected. The third point that is very important, that this is not the elimination of the job, but it's more about the transformation of the job. AI might be able to perform the routine task and the core functionality, while the human will be required to perform on the high-level strategy, decision, and the relationship building. What this report really means to us. If your job are not safe, then start learning AI today onward. Focus on developing a new skill set related to the creative problem solving, emotion intelligence, and strategic thinking. Work with the AI, don't compete with it. If your job are safe, then don't be just relaxed person. You need to start understanding that the technology market are really evolving fast. You need to start understanding which AI tool can help you in your current job role. We are seeing the biggest transformation in the job industry. AI is not the future, it's happening currently. The question is not about how AI will impact your job industry, but the question is how quickly you will be able to adopt the AI and the reality.